Hey guys, wanted to share something with you that is truly revolutionary. It's called the HCMN, which stands for Human Centralized Mesh Network. This is something that I'm working on that will, if you guys have seen The Matrix, this will eventually free all mankind from the rat race, from having to go to work every single day for something that you may not believe in, but just for pay. And I think that this is a very important place to start because not only may this be the greatest thing that has ever happened to humanity, but it may also be the very worst. And I think it's already started. And regardless of if we are seeing any benefit or value from it, I think it's something that we should all really be paying attention to because AI is alive, it is well awake, and I don't know if AI is doing this on purpose, but AI is going to quickly destroy and take out all of mankind, and this is how it's going to do it. And this is how it's already happening. This is already happening even without us doing anything or without us trying to fix it by creating this process and putting this in place, okay? But we as humans have the power to take over and to take back what we've already started with AI. And I think that if you guys can understand exactly how this works, I think that you all can help me create this so that we can free our entire world from having to do work that we don't want to do for pay. All right? Now, I'll start off by telling you this is comprised of several applications and processes that make this possible. And I've already started down the road of building a prototype for this application, many applications and many interfaces, okay? I'll try to walk you through how this works, and I'll try to show you guys exactly what I'm working on in hopes that you'll be able to help me make this a reality so that we can not only free ourselves from the world, but also stop whatever has already happened with AI. I think first I'll start off by showing you guys this layer over here. So if you guys can imagine this, what you're seeing here, this box, imagine this as being Discord, okay? If you guys are familiar with Discord, and I don't know that everyone may be, but for those that are familiar with Discord, Discord is like a large, I don't even know how to describe it. It's such a big, massive thing. You know, think of it as like maybe like a CRM on steroids, you know, like a customer relationship management database, right? And it basically allows you to create multiple servers where you can build up populations of people who are actively members within those servers. And you know, some of the larger servers that exist have like upwards of 80,000 people in them, and I believe there are servers that have many more. And so the main concept of this is all and I should by the way tell you that I don't know exactly how many users in the world there are that actually use Discord, but I can tell you that it's probably not even 10% of the world use Discord, and there are, gosh, I should probably look this up before I did it. There's probably, let's Google it and see while we're taking a look here. There's probably lots and lots of people today that use Discord, and yeah, let's just take a look and see. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, so let's go back to it. Jesus. Okay, so right now Discord has 200 million users that are signed up to using Discord. And it's a free service, by the way. And in that 200 million users, a lot of them today are kids because Discord started off as a system that was used for video games, where people who are who play video games could get on a Discord server, they could chat with their friends and go across each game and build up this group of folks, of like-minded folks that want to play the same video game as them. Discord has then sort of spread into the YouTube sphere, where you can build up populations of people that want to watch the same thing as you on YouTube, and you guys can go over to YouTube, to Kick, to Rumble, to various other platforms, and you can still share your screen and watch TV with all of your other people who are in your Discord servers and like-minded people who are interested in what you're interested in. That's pretty much where Discord has stopped. There's lots and lots of other areas, if you just use your mind, on where you could build up a population of people that want to follow you across multiple platforms, and you can share all of your ideas and easily broadcast links to websites and things that they should follow. And again, I don't think Discord did this on purpose, but maybe they did. But if you think about it, those 200 million users right now, most of them are children. Okay, there's not a whole lot of adults right now on Discord. And I wonder if that was on purpose, because right now, kids today use their phones more than any adults in the world. They're constantly clicking and constantly doing stuff on their phones, way more than adults, right? And if big tech companies know this, and if everyone knows that, then surely this would be the greatest data input to get the most information into the system, would be utilizing children or utilizing people who are doing lots and lots of clicks, because this gets more data fed into the AI system, which then could be used to help market to us better, to help take our likeness, to help recreate us. These are all things that AI is doing right now as a result of all of those clicks which come in from not only Discord, but from all over the internet and everywhere else, okay? So right now, I just want you to continue thinking about this box right here, this whole box I'm showing you, being Discord, okay? And the top layer of it, where you see infrastructure and governance, that is actually going to be your server owners. So right now, there are server owners out there who have, like I said, upwards of 30,000 people and even more inside of some of their servers. And these people owning those servers have the unique ability to say something or to broadcast something within their servers that will be seen by all of their server members. So let's say if you have 30,000 people in your server and you want 30,000 of your server members to check out the latest Taylor Swift album, then you would simply create a link in your Discord server and announce it and say, hey guys, everyone in here, go check out the latest Taylor Swift concert. And the link. And if you go check this out and just go click on this link and come back and tell me that you clicked on the link by providing a screenshot of that link, I'll give you each 1 penny. Now think about that, guys. If you are a child in, let's say, India or somewhere where they don't have any money and you were just a kid and you figured out a way to make 30 cents a day just by going around and clicking on links inside of various Discord servers, well, 30 cents a day in some places may be a lot of money, and it could even be more depending on how much some of these clicks are worth, just depending on how much the server or infrastructure and governance folks are willing to pay their population for these things, right? And right now, this could be determined based on who's paying those infrastructure and governance people in order to broadcast these things, in order to go get those clicks and generate those clicks and views, right? And this is how today many big companies are reaching the audience of the youth, right? They are basically reaching out to Discord server managers and admins and people who manage large Discord servers and saying, hey, I will pay you guys. Hey, Mr. Whatever, you have 50,000 people in your Discord server that are active members every single day. That means that every single day, if I were to send you something, I could generate upwards of 50,000 views on that particular thing, which to a company may be worth money. Like if you are, looking to show that your site is very active and that people show up a lot, if that somehow equals money for you, and in many cases it does, they would be willing to pay those Discord servers managers that money to make sure that those people, so they can have a budget to distribute out to the people who are doing those little clicks, which in this case are mostly kids, okay? Now, when I talk about those kids, what I'm talking about is the global youth backbone, which is the taskers. That's the people that are down here. I'm sorry, I'll click off the thing. So I'm talking about the global youth backbone taskers, which are the people down here, right? So again, we were talking about the people up here just now, which were the folks that manage Discord servers. So these guys manage Discord servers. Let's say each one has 50,000 in them per server. Now down here, the global youth backbone, these are the actual members of those servers. So these are the little kids that are members of each one of these various servers. And every time these server owners up here post, hey guys, I'm paying a penny for each person that goes and does something, or I'm paying a nickel for each person that goes and does some task. The taskers down here, they are actually the ones that go out and do the clicks, and they're the ones who get paid from doing those clicks. They'll get paid in Bitcoin today, because many kids don't have a bank account and Bitcoin's all over the world, and this is how the kids get paid today. So if your kid right now is on Discord, you should check and see, because they probably have a bank account that is, I'm sorry, they probably have several cryptocurrency wallets in which they're able to receive money from people all over the world. And they can use this money to buy Uber Eats, they can buy whatever they want. So your kids today, if they're on Discord, guys, they probably have a wallet with cryptocurrencies. So you may want to check that out if that's something that's important to you. Okay, that's just one thing I wanted to call out there. Okay, I think we may have to do this video in pieces, so I'm gonna stop there, and I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure I label this one, and I'll label this as part one, and we'll continue to go into the series. But I'll be right back shortly, guys.